Hello everyone, and welcome back to Carl is on it. Today we're going to be changing a cabin filter, so let me show you. So we've got here a cabin filter that we're going to replace, and in order to do that you need to open your bonnet. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is open the bonnet, and the cabin filter is located right over here. So in order to open it up, you've got a bolt over there, a bolt over there, a bolt right over there as well, one over here, another over there, and that's about it really. So once you unbolt all those, you open it up, and you can pretty much a swap. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Also, if you want to change your spark plugs, you're going to need to remove the engine cover here. So in order to do that, you have to remove all these things all around here, but I'll basically go through that on a separate video for you. So let's get straight to replacing the cabin pollen filter. So the tools you're going to need is, you're going to need a 8mm bolt, so 8mm. Pop this one in there, and you need to attach it onto your thingy bob, your adapter screw, or your spanner. Sorry, not spanner, your ratchet. Or your ratchet. And then you can pretty much go ahead and start unbolting. So we'll start with this one here. Right, so all we have to do now is pretty much undo these tabs. Tab here. Do that one. Do that one. You just push it. That's all you have to do. Just take the whole thing out and underneath it. So as we have it, this is the cabin pollen filter. Of course it looks like it needs to be changed, so we're going to change that, and then we're going to clean up this area here as well, because it's looking a bit messy. So I'm going to go do that and then change the filter. Need this anyway. Where did this come from? Interesting. I think I know where it came from. It's one of the nope, no idea. So we've given that area a bit, as much of the tight as we could. So just going to remove this. Just pops out like that. It's got some God knows what. So don't need that anymore. Get the replacement. Hey, good catch, eh? Just down, just 2 hands. Okay, replacement will go like this from one end here and there, like that. So people, what you're going to need to do is just pretty much push that on there, push the corners in like that, and then make sure this corner's in, push it in like that. There we go. Push it in like that. All the way in. Make sure each corner is all the way in. That. There we go. That way so the tabs can come out. That one's out as well. No, this one's not in for me. There we go. Could have had a tab there, but that one's pretty much gone. Anyway. And now it's just pretty much reverse process really. So we flip this round, it's round like that, and we bolt it back on into these areas right over here. So push it like that, stand like that. Yeah, like that. Go. And then we just bolt it back on. So now we just bolt this back on, and that's it. Cabin filter changed. So there we have it, all done, cabin filter changed, and yeah. So everyone, we've now reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already, and there'll be some more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Okay.